What's going on, traders? John with Tactical Trading here. We got our weekly watch list video for the first week of September. I hope you guys are all enjoying your Labor Day weekend, but now it's time to get back to work and start grinding and make some money in the stock market. Now, before I get started, I'd like to thank everybody for helping this channel get over 600 subscribers. If you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. And if like I said, let's get this thing to 750. Hopefully by the end of next week. I'd really appreciate that. I appreciate all the likes. I appreciate all the comments. Everybody interacting with the videos. If you don't like me, hit the dislike button. That's fine with me as well too. But like I said, I never anticipated this channel getting over a couple hundred subscribers. I really never did, and it's starting to gain a little traction, and I really appreciate you guys for your help. We are a family here. If you guys have any stocks that you guys want me to take a look at, please put them in the comment section below. I know the past couple days I've been a little slow at getting some of these comments. I've had a lot of stuff going on, but I assure you I will get to it, and I will let you know whether I like the stock or not, and there's a good chance that if I do like the stock, I will be putting it in one of my videos and highlighting in one of my videos. But let's get started on this watch list. I'm going to be going over 5 stocks for this watch list this week. All the stocks I did mention on my OTC Saturday video just the other day. I'm going to be mentioning the 2 stocks that I mentioned at the end of the video but gave no details on. I really like these stocks. I'm putting them on the watch list. First of which is Bassinite Inc. BASA, that's BASA. This stock closed at a shade over 63 cents on Friday, up 58%, 0.63375. So, what this company does, this company manufactures composite reinforcement products made from basalt fiber reinforced polymers. They are an industry leader of manufacturing and supply of these BFPR products, and this is for actually like rebarb for concrete. They on July 27th, these guys got they announced a multi-million-dollar deal with MEP Consulting Engineers Inc. as their exclusive provider of this BFPR rebarb for their concrete. What I really like about this stock is right now, as we see, not many people are going on vacation. No one's flying anywhere. No one's going anywhere on vacation. No one's spending that excess funds on sports games, in sports stadiums. No one's going on, like I said, they're not going on vacation. They're not going to movie theaters. But what they are doing is they're putting money into their homes. And a lot of people, instead of buying, pre-existing homes, a lot of people are actually building homes. So the home builders are actually doing really well right now. And I anticipate this continuing for the next couple months. Right now, this stock is at an all-time high as far as volume, and they just broke their 52-week highs on Friday, and in my opinion, I think this still continues. If we look at the past couple of weeks, if we look at RBII, NWBO, and other stocks that have broken their 52-week highs, these stocks have continued and continue sometimes on to all-time highs. Like I said, at 63, a little over 63 cents, I think this stock has some room to run, and like I said, in my opinion, I think this stock continues throughout the week. So I really like BASA. Second stock we're going to talk about is a stock that I've talked about quite a few times. This is Relief Therapeutics, RLFTF. They closed on Friday at 59 cents. They were up a shade over 7%. Right now, this company is in advanced clinical trials for Aviptidil. This is to treat severe election infection patients. That's one of the things I do like about this company is it's not treating moderate to or mild to moderate patients. This is treating severe patients who are, neck deep in problems. And if they don't get this product, it could be, God forbid, the end for them. So this product is an inhalant, and it is shown that it has worked to clear out the lungs, stop inflammation in the lungs, and clear out fluid in the lungs as well too. And these guys are in advanced clinical trials for this right now, so I'm anticipating some good news really soon for this product. Now, they were just uplisted last week from the pink sheets to the OTCQB market. And they also appointed a new chief medical officer last week. So this also added with their ambitions to get on either the New York Stock Exchange or the NASDAQ in the near future, shows me that this stock is serious about propelling itself and moving forward and getting getting value for their shareholders. But right now, what I like about this stock is not the fundamentals, but the technicals. This stock is forming an absolute perfect symmetrical triangle on the daily chart. If you look at this, this is a stock that I've been kind of afraid to hold overnight, just due to the fact that this stock has shown the propensity to gap up and then gap down, gap up and then gap down. The thing I like about it is it has shown the ability to run 10, 12, 15 cents in a day. And in a few day span, this stock ran from 5 cents all the way up to 95 cents. That we're now at 59 cents and ready to break out of this symmetrical triangle on the chart. I see the stock testing its highs again. So this is not something I say, buy it right away, buy it on Tuesday, and this is also a stock I'd be kind of afraid to hold overnight. But it's something that if it breaks out of the symmetrical triangle, this stock could run and could be a perfect day trade. So I'll be definitely watching RLFTF throughout the week, next week, and possibly into the following week. Now, the next stock we're going to be talking about is a stock I did mention on my OTC Saturday video right at the end of the day, or right at the end of the video, excuse me, and didn't go into detail about this. This is Vermont Group, VMNT, Vermont Group, VMNT. These guys closed at 42 cents on Friday. They were up 100% on the dot on Friday, so they doubled on Friday. These guys are a tech-driven company that focuses on acquisition and development, mainly targeting early-stage artificial intelligence, AI, and blockchain companies. They were up huge on Friday, which actually brought them to my attention and prompted me to mention them on the OTC Saturday video. The reason they were up is the CEO tweeted that hinting that they're going to put out some huge PR coming into this week. And obviously, he didn't drop the PR. It was from a tweet, but I am anticipating some PR this week. They broke their 52-week highs just on Friday. They broke their 52-week highs that they set on August 5th, which were multi-year highs from 35 cents all the way back into late 2017. So these guys are progressively now breaking into uncharted territory for this company. The chart is trending up on the daily chart. It looks very strong, and with any good PR, I anticipate a very strong week from these guys. And just like I said, these are 52-week high or multi-year high plays, just like BASA. VMNT is a stock I look at just continuing the strong moves like NWBO just last week. You also got to look at these markets and what's propelling these stocks, what stocks are hitting the new highs, what stocks are having multi-day runs, and right now these stocks breaking new highs are the stocks that are in the OTC market that are really pushing strong. The next stock that we're going to talk about is Alternate Systems. This is a stock, ALYI. This is a stock we've talked about plenty last week and the week before. They closed on Friday at 0.0217. They were up about 17% on Friday. After setting multi-year highs of 0.0579 just last Monday, this stock has pulled back significantly. On Friday, the company announced groundbreaking EV battery innovation progress that they'll anticipate will generate revenues independent from their EV sales. So now they're talking about having battery sales which will be independent from the vehicle sales itself and creating a new line and a new stream of revenue, which I really like about this company. They also have a virtual conference on Friday, September 11th. This is going to be with their design team to introduce the motorcycle designs, and I really anticipate this company to have a really nice bounce back next week. Like I said, they pulled back significantly from their almost 6-cent highs, and now they're trading a shade over 2 cents. I really think this company is going to grind up throughout the week. I would definitely keep these guys on my radar, and I really think these guys are going to have a good week. Last and not least, obviously, is OPTI International, OPTI. They closed on Friday at 0.04495. They were up 22% or close to 23% on Friday. They had 2 PR drops on Friday. The first PR drop was talking about that Careborn Capital purchase of their shares. They put out a statement stating that those shares will not be available to be dumped on the market for at least a year. So we're looking at late next August before these shares will be available to be sold. So this Careborn Capital will be holding these shares, which will tighten the float and shows obviously some confidence that this company is doing well, that a capital firm has come in and bought a significant amount of shares. Their second PR, as we all know, was the infrared temperature scan. patent pending for cell phones. We know that they have the other patent for the UV LED lighting. They have infomercials coming up. They have a lot of exciting things in the pipeline. This company has been beat up pretty bad over the last few weeks. From when I initially called these guys out at a shade over 2 cents, and in just a week, these guys shot all the way up to 19.5 cents. They've pulled back significantly since then, as we all know. In fact, in one day, I believe they went down from almost 16 cents to almost 9 cents in one day, which I think has a lot of investors and traders spooked on this company. But if this thing shows strength, which I anticipate we will see next week, I think we're going to see some bouncing back and some, and I believe the 50-day moving average has been almost like a thorn in their side, as a resistance as they've been grinding downwards. If they can bust past that 52 or that 50-week moving average, or the 50-day moving average, if they can bust past that moving average and they can continue to go, obviously the technicals will carry them along with the fundamentals. I really anticipate OPTI having a terrific week. We've talked about this company enough, almost to nauseum, so we don't have to really get into it. So obviously the 5 companies that I'm going to be looking at this week: BASA, Bassinite Inc., RLFTF, Relief Therapeutics, Vermont Group, VMNT, Alternate Systems, ALYI, and OPTI International, OPTI. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to really quickly list these stocks in the order that I like them for the week. The first is OPTI International. The second is Vermont Group, VMNT. The third is Alternate Systems, ALYI. Fourth is Bassinite Inc., BASA. And the fifth is Relief Therapeutics, RLFTF. This one obviously being mainly a technical play that I really like this week. So I like all 5 of those stocks to have a good week. I put all those stocks on your watch list. Keep a close eye on them. If you start to see any movement on them, take a jump in and let's get some of that money that they're going to be presenting to us. So as always, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just giving you an overview of the homework that I've done and telling you what I'm going to be doing. And I'm going to be watching all these stocks very closely this week. And as always, like I said in the beginning of the video, I'd like to thank everyone for getting us up over 600 subscribers. Let's get this thing up over 750, and then we can worry about getting to 1,000 later in the month. But as always, please like, please share, please subscribe. If you have any stocks that you want me to look at, put them in the comment section below. And hey, enjoy the rest of your holiday, and let's get that money, traders.